This is Mymathlab. This is where we're going to do the majority of our lessons for this class. So you need to go to mymathlab.com, and when you come here, you're going to have to register. So you go to the Register Now section, and of course you're a student, so you're going to click on Student. Once you've registered and stuff like that, and you've set up an account, of course you'll come here to sign in instead, and you won't ever go to the student section, of course, for registration. But you click on that, and you go in here, and it says you'll get some important emails from your instructor or whatever, and it says you'll get you'll need the course ID, which I have given you on Blackboard, and then you'll need a credit card or something to pay with it. Okay, so you're gonna click OK and register now, and here you're going to enter in the course ID, and this is my course ID. So in this case it is this number, but yours will be different, or maybe different. Okay, so if you already have a Pearson account, you'll just sign in, of course, right here, and that will have you registered into my class then. If not, you're going to have to create an account. So click on that. You're going to give them your email address. It's okay if it's your school email address, because maybe you're using that more, or it could be a personal address. Depends on what you check most often, probably. You'll set up a username and password. You'll enter your name and last name. You'll have security questions here and other things. You're going to accept it, and then you're going to create your account. After this page is going to take you to where you are going to have to pay for your registration, and I believe the price last I looked was $60.50 for a 6-month time. Now that's all you should need unless you plan on failing my class, or maybe you know that you're going to use this in a future class, so you might pay for a year, which does save you some money. I think it's like $80, which is quite a bit of savings for a year's worth of license. And so anyway, this is where you'll get registered. Okay, now I'm going to go back out of here and to where we log in, and when you log in, you'll go into sign in, and of course I have my own sign in. You guys will have yours. Mine looks a little bit different than yours, and I'm not exactly 100% sure how yours will look, but you'll click into the course that you're going into, however it shows it for you, because you should be registered for my class at that point. Now I'm going to have a few more things than you do, like you won't have course tools and stuff like that, but things that you'll want. Right here at the top you'll see the current assignments. The only problem with this is if an assignment has passed already, you won't really see it here, and so you'll think there's no assignments or anything. It also shows up right here. It'll show you what assignments you have to get done right down in here and stuff like that, so you'll know kind of what's going on as you come in this website and visit this website. Another place you can get it is by clicking on assignments. When you click on assignments, it'll take you in and show you all the assignments. So here you can see, now it shows them all past due. That's because I haven't quite set the dates yet. But anyway, this is where you'll find the assignments that you'll be doing for this class, okay? Now, their gradebook, this will show you what you've completed. Now, the grade in here does not match the grade you're going to have in the course. I take the grade you get in here on an assignment and I apply it to your grade in Blackboard. So you don't have to stress out about whatever your grade is in here. You need to worry about what your grade is in Blackboard. Now you can set up a study plan by clicking on here, and what this really is doing is it allows you to find more materials or more practice should you want or need more practice. Now I don't recommend you do this if you don't need it, but it's just one place where you can go and find more practice problems, right? And it shows practice here or quiz me here. This is just for your benefit, okay? You're not going to receive a grade from me for doing any of it, so it's not required, but it does allow you to get some extra help on things that you might need, okay? Other than that, there's not really a whole lot. I don't have I can go into an assignment and kind of show you what it looks like, so I should have done that when I was there originally. Now I'm gonna have to assign it to you, so let's just go into this pre-test and we'll start the test. So a normal assignment kind of looks like this. It'll have a question and it'll have multiple choice questions, or you'll have to fill in the blank type of thing. So you can go here and you can click between questions, like question number 2 and 3. You don't obviously have to answer them before you move on to the next one. So if you're struggling with one, you could wait on that. Or you could click on this down arrow and you could select the question you want to go to specifically, and it'll take you right to that question. And so you can see here that there are several multiple choice questions within a one question. So the main idea is up here, and then it starts to ask you all these other things that you have to answer. It's 11 points possible. When you're done, you click submit test, and then that's when I'll see it. So if you don't submit it, obviously I'm not going to see what you did. Okay. You can also scroll between the assignments by clicking on these arrows down here. So there's several ways to scroll back and forth between the assignments. All right, I think that's pretty much it.